Here's the best and natural way to make Kunu zaki. This holiday season, you might want to make this to entertain your guests. Trust me, they will love it. You need millet. I already have my millet. I soaked for 24 hours, that is a day. And when it is soft, I washed and I'm beginning to share it into 4 portions. And 1 portion I'm gonna separate. Add my sweet potatoes, add my ginger. This will enhance the flavor of my drink. I also add some pepper, this type of pepper, and then I go on to add some cloves, very important, and then my dates. The reason for the sweet potatoes and dates is because I want this natural sweetness. When this is done, I'm gonna blend them separately. If you have a good grinder blender, then you might want to blend at home, but if you don't, then you have to take it to the mill and then they will have to blend separately. This is the end result. So we'll have to set the other one aside, the one that has the ginger and all that, set aside, and we'll have to boil water. I have to transfer because the other container is very small. So my water is already boiled. Then I pour into this one and stir as though I'm trying to make pap ogi, you know, ogi. Yes, so this is the consistency, very thick. I allow this cool for like 30 minutes or 45 minutes. Then I go on to introduce the other one just like this. This is so quick, easy, and very simple. This is something you can always try at home. So after this, I allow it cool down. Then I get a cheesecloth. Now you can see it has loosened up a bit. So I get a cheesecloth, pour in, and this is it. So don't worry about my hands, they are clean. Now this is what you get, ready to drink, healthy, nutritious. You might want to add sugar, but for me, I prefer not to add sugar because it is homemade. I wouldn't want any other sweetener in it. So this is all natural, all healthy, and it is giving good vibes. The sweet part of this is that you can pair it with anything. Like I'm pairing it now with homemade akara. My goodness, this is so delicious. Let me know if you'll be trying out this natural, healthy, delicious drink. Make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next. Till then, let me go on to put all my delicious Kunu zaki into the refrigerator, and I'll see you all on my next. Bye. Thanks for watching.